Hi, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so excited you're here today. Our word of the day is belong, a lovely A2 level verb that means to be part of something. Let's explore this word together. To belong is to have a proper or suitable place in a group, situation, or environment. For example, you might say, I feel like I belong here, when you feel comfortable or accepted in a place or group. It's such a great word for talking about connection and fitting in. Let's talk about some synonyms for belong. Words like fit, be part of, and be included can often replace belong in a sentence. For example, instead of saying, you belong to this team, you could say, you fit in this team, or you're part of this team. These words share the idea of connection and inclusion. Now for some antonyms. Words like exclude, separate, or disconnect are the opposite of belong. For instance, if someone feels left out, they might say, I feel excluded from the group. These words highlight the absence of connection or inclusion. In everyday life, you might use belong in conversations about community, family, or even objects. For instance, these books belong on the top shelf, or I belong to a local hiking club. It's also common in expressions like, do you feel like you belong here? Or everything is in its place where it belongs. Here are a few more examples. This key belongs to the front door. She always knew she belonged in the world of art. Do these shoes belong to you? That's all for today's episode. We've covered the definition of belong, explored some synonyms and antonyms, and looked at how you can use it in your daily conversations. Thanks so much for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others find the show. Before you go, here's a fun challenge. Create your own sentence using the word belong and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and exploring new words. Bye for now.